students, today I am going to start extra questions of chapter Nature of Matter, chapter number 3 of your book. I hope you have gone through the chapter thoroughly and please be ready for the test. Water molecules remaining in somewhat definite position with relatively little motion and vibrate back and forth to a limited extent would be a characteristic of water, steam, ice or plasma. So your right answer is your ice. Evaporating is when a substance changes from liquid to gas by heating it to its boiling point. A substance changes from liquid to gas naturally. A substance changes from gas into liquid vapors, condenses to tiny droplets of water or a cold window. Please write down your answer in the comment section. So your right answer is a substance changes from a liquid to gas naturally also, because not only boiling point तक लाने का मतलब नहीं है. अगर आप किसी कपड़े को आप रख देते हो तो वो भी ड्राई हो जाता है, उसमें बॉइलिंग पॉइंट लाना ज़रूरी नहीं है. सो आवर राइट आंसर इज़ बी. A solid has a definite volume and shape, can flow into the shape of its container and has a definite volume, has no definite volume and fills the entire space. So your right answer is has a definite volume and a shape. Question number 4 is little bit different. Check whether the liquid mixes or does not mix in water. You have to just put right or wrong. Vinegar mixes with water, right. Lemon juice mixes with water, right. Mustard oil does not mixes in water, wrong. So coconut oil is same features, wrong. Kerosene oil also shows that same characteristics, that these three are your insoluble liquids as they do not mix in water. Question number 5. Pick one material from the following which is completely soluble in water. Chalk powder, tea leaves, glucose, sawdust. Your right answer is glucose, because all others will float in water, are insoluble in water also. Which of the following material is not lustrous? Lustrous means जिसमें shine होती है. So gold, it has a shine. Silver has a shine. Wood and diamond, diamond has a shine. Wood does not has a shine. So right answer is wood. Aruna, Shivani, Sophia were given a mixture of red chili powder and water, butter in water, honey in water respectively. Whose mixture is soluble in water? As you know, red chilies, they will float in water, butter will float in water, only honey is soluble in water. Question number 8. A liquid has a definite volume and shape. Liquid की definite volume और shape होती है, wrong. Can flow into the shape of its container and has a definite volume? Yes, of course. Your right answer is that it can flow but has definite volume. Volume change नहीं होती. 1 लीटर अगर आपने मिल्क लिया है चाहे उसे आप बाउल में रखिए, चाहे आप उसे ग्लास में रखिए या बॉटल में रखिए, इट विल रिमेन 1 लीटर ओनली, मगर उसकी शेप जो है वो कंटेनर की हो जाएगी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, अ गैस हैज़ अ डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम एंड शेप। गैस की डेफिनेट वॉल्यूम होती है और शेप भी डेफिनेट होती है। सो दिस इज़ अ रॉन्ग, because gases, they do not have fixed shape, they do not have fixed volume. Question number 2, can flow into the shape of its container and has a definite volume? No, this is also not incorrect. Has no definite volume and fills the entire space. Exactly, this is the characteristic of the gases, that they can spread to unlimited extent. They can spread from one place to another. जैसे कि आप इंसेंस स्टिक्स को जलाते हो, अगरबत्ती को जलाते हो, तो उसका धुआं जो है, उसकी जो फ्रेगरेंस है वो आपको पूरे रूम में आती है। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज question number 10, pick one material from the following which is completely insoluble in water. Chalk powder, salt, शुगर, ग्लूकोज या इंक। ये तीनों ही चीज़ें जो हैं सॉलेबल हैं, तो ये तो हमारे नहीं है राइट आंसर। हमारा राइट आंसर है चॉक। Chalk powder is insoluble in water. I hope you have understood the chapter and prepared for all the MCQs. You are well prepared for the test. I'll come up with the MCQs of another chapter.